during my medical residency. Daily, I witnessed how pervasive systemic problems led to loss of lives of mothers and children that was completely preventable. If only the mothers had access to the right information at the right time, they could have recognized the risk factors in time and demanded care. On the other hand, if only the health workers had been trained to pick up the risk factors and treat before it was too late. I realized very early on that if I really want to impact lives, I have to go into the community. And given the scale of India's problems, any solutions I design had to be scalable, accessible to the last woman and child directly in their homes, and yet cost-effective and resource-light. And that's how Arman started. Arman is a non-profit in India that leverages technology to create cost-effective, scalable solutions to reduce maternal-child mortality and morbidity. The first 5 years were very difficult because the whole idea of a homegrown Indian NGO creating cost-effective, scalable solutions was difficult for people to fathom. But in time, we got the necessary funding, and now we're in 19 states, and our work has impacted the lives of over 26 million women and their children, and we've trained over 200,000 health workers. Our first program that really scaled up through the country was a program called M-Mitra, Mobile Friend. Now, Mobile Mitra is a voice calling service, a free service that sends timed and targeted preventive care information directly to the phones of the enrolled women through pregnancy and infancy till the child is 1 year of age in the women's chosen time slot and language preference. We enroll women wherever we can get them. We've got health workers stationed in government hospitals who enroll women in their first antenatal visit. But women come to the hospitals too late, and hence we enroll women directly in the slums through a partnership with NGOs on the ground. We incentivize their health workers to go home to home and enroll women as soon as possible in pregnancy. We also have a call center manned by trained health workers, so a woman can call back for any query that she may have. And we've reached around 2.5 million women and their children. Because we did M-Mitra so well, the Government of India entered a partnership with us so that we could manage their program called Kilkari. And the program is introduced to the women by the ASHA workers and the nurses in the field. And now Kilkari has reached around 24 million women in 17 states of the country. And on the other hand, we want to train health workers. Now, what programs do we have there? Mobile Academy. It's an mHealth based refresher training program for ASHA workers. It is 4 hours of content which the ASHA can get hold of when she calls into the service. Now, Mobile Academy has trained over 200,000 health workers. A very important program from the perspective of high-risk pregnancy that is called Integrated High-Risk Pregnancy Management in Telangana. It is very difficult for each cadre of the health force, that is the ANM, that is the auxiliary nurse midwife, the medical officer and the specialist in district hospital in rural India to understand what is their part of the role. So we've created prioritized protocols for around 27 high-risk factors for Telangana, and those protocols are tabular, algorithmic, color-coded so that each cadre understands completely well their part of the role. We're going to have a tracking app. All of these protocols are going to become a part of a decision support tool, which will be encoded on the tablets of the ANMs and medical officers, which will track all the women from the time of the picking up of risk factor till the delivery to ensure that everything has gone well. Arogya Sakhi, which works in tribal A parts, where we train ASHA workers to give home-based care, because these are parts of the country where it's very difficult for women to go to the hospital to access care. Arman constantly measures impact on the ground. There was almost a 22% increase in the proportion of infants who tripled their birth weight at the end of 1 year. Similarly, if you look at the proportion of women who took 90 days of iron tablets during pregnancy, it was 25% more. When you looked at the number of women who accessed care for complication during pregnancy, it was almost 92%. When the pandemic struck, we were right there and ready to bridge the critical gaps in healthcare that arose. Within a matter of days, we started a virtual clinic for antenatal and pediatric care, manned by 60 doctors. Around 16,000 women access care from the virtual clinic. We also offered logistic support to around 60,000 women through the country. Leveraged our tech platform for health workers and sent information on COVID care to around 800,000 health workers through the country, and added COVID content to our voice calls Around 300,000 pregnant women and mothers got access to information. Our goal is to reach around 45 million women and their children by 2025 and train over 1 million health workers. We also want to add multimedia and two-way communication approaches, where we are able to handhold women and children with high-risk factors much more so that we can ensure better outcomes for them and their children.